अर्पिता शुक्ला। वेलकम टू योर चैनल टारगेट फॉर आईक्यू। इस वीडियो में हम इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट के क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। एमसीक्यूज देखेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 देखते हैं। ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टू टेक इन कार्गो फॉर बी एट अ फॉरेन पोर्ट is government afterwards declares war against the country in which the port is situated. A, the contract cannot become void when war is declared. B, the contract become partly void when war is declared. C, the contract become void when war is declared. तो आंसर इसका C है, the contract become void when war is declared. सेकंड देखेंगे। A contract with B for a fixed price to build a house for B within a stipulated time. B supplying the necessary timber. C guarantees A's performance of the contract. B omits to supply the timber. A, C is not discharged from his surety. B, C is partly discharged from his suretyship. C is discharged from his suretyship. D, none of the above. तो इसका आंसर है C is discharged from his suretyship. थर्ड देखेंगे। A contract with B to deliver to him 250 mounts of rice before the 1st of May. A deliver 130 mounts only before that day and none after. B retains the 130 mounts after the 1st of May. A, he is not bound to pay for them. B, he is bound to pay A for them. C, he is partially bound to pay for them. D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर है he is bound to pay A for them. फोर्थ देखेंगे। A contract with B to deliver to him at a specified price merchandise on board a ship which cannot arrive for a month, and B engages to pay for the merchandise within a week from the date of the contract. B does not pay within a week. Option A is promised to deliver and need not be performed. B, A is promised to deliver and needs to be performed. C, B must make compensation. D, both A and C. तो इसका आंसर है D, both A and C. फिफ्थ देखते हैं। A contract with B to repair B's house. B neglect or refuses to point out to A the places in which his house requires repair. Option A is excused for the non-performance of the contract if it is caused by such neglect or refusal. B, A cannot be excused from the non-performance of the contract even if it is caused by such neglect or refusal. C, B is excused for his negligence or refusal to point out to A the places in which his house requires repair. D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है A is excused for the non-performance of the contract if it is caused by such neglect or refusal. 6 देखेंगे। A contractual provision security deposit in a commercial contract cannot be questioned. A, on the basis of its quantum. B, on the ground that the other party does not have a similar liability. C, either A or B. D, none of this. इसका आंसर है either A or B. 7 देखेंगे। A desires B, who owes him ₹100 to send him a note for ₹100 by post. Option A, the debt is discharged only when A receives the due amount. B, the debt is discharged as soon as B puts into the post a letter containing the note duly addressed to A. C, either A or B. और D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर B है। 7th का ऑप्शन बी इज करेक्ट। 8 देखेंगे। A direct B to see A estate. B, on looking over the estate before selling it, finds a mine on the estate which is unknown to A. B informs A that he wishes to buy the estate for himself but conceals the discovery of the mine. A allows B to buy in ignorance of the existence of the mine. A, on the discovering that B knew of the mine at the time he bought the estate. Option A may repudiate the sale at his option. B may adopt the sale at his option. C, either A or B. and D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर है either A or B. 9 देखेंगे। A direct B to sell A estate. B buys the estate for himself. buys the estate, यहाँ पे देखिए B buys है, ठीक है, BUYS the estate for himself in the name of C. A, on discovering that B has bought the estate for himself, may repudiate the sale. Option A, if he can show that B has dishonestly concealed any material fact. B, if he can show that the sale has been disadvantageous to him. C, either A or B. and D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर है either A or B. 10 देखेंगे। A direct B to sell goods for him and agrees to give B 5% commission on the price fetched by the goods. A, after by letters, revoke B's authority. B, after the letter is sent but before he receives it, sells the goods for 100 rupees. Option A, the sale is not binding on A and B is entitled to 5 rupees as his commission. B, the sale is binding on A and B is not entitled to 5 rupees as his commission. C, the sale is binding on A and B is entitled to give 5 rupees as his commission. and D, none of these. तो इसका आंसर है C. 11 देखेंगे। A direct B his agent to pay certain money to C. A dies and D takes out probate to his will. B, after A's death but before hearing of it, pays the money to C. Option A, the payment is not as against D the executor. B, the payment is good as against D the executor. either A or B. and D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर B है, the payment is good as executor, D. 12 देखेंगे। A direct B his solicitor to sell the estate or by auction and so employ an auctioneer for the purpose. B, name C an auctioneer to conduct the sale. ऑप्शन है सी इज सब एजेंट एंड ए इज सब एजेंट फॉर द कंडक्ट ऑफ सेल, बी C is not sub agent but B is agent for the conduct of sale, C is not sub agent but A is agent for the conduct of the sale, and D none of these. तो इसका आंसर C है, C is not sub agent but A is agent for the conduct of sale. 13 देखेंगे, A enters into contract with B to sell him 100 bales of cotton and afterward discovers that B was acting as agent for C. ऑप्शन है A may sue B for the price of cotton, B A may sue C for the price of the cotton, C A may sue either B or C or both for the price of the cotton, D none of this. तो इसका आंसर A है, C है सॉरी, A may sue either B or C or both for the price of cotton. 14 देखेंगे, A entrusts B with negotiable instrument endorsed in blank. B sells them to C in violation of private orders from A. A the sale is not good, B the sale is partly good, C the sale is good, D none of this. तो इसका आंसर है the sale is good. 15 देखेंगे, A finds B's purse and gives to him. B promises to give A rupees 50. ऑप्शन है दिस इज नॉट अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बी दिस इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, सी ए और बी और डी नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर बी है, दिस इज अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. 16 देखेंगे, ए फ्रॉडुलेंटली इन्फॉर्म्स बी दैट एज स्टेट इज फ्री फ्रॉम इनकम्बरेंस, बी देयर अपॉन बाइज द स्टेट इज सब्जेक्ट टू अ मोर्गेज. ऑप्शन है बी में अवॉइड द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बी में इंसिस्ट ऑन इट्स बीइंग कैरिंग आउट एंड द मोर्गेज दैट इज रिडीम्ड, सी इधर ए और बी एंड डी नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर सी है, इधर ए और बी. 17 देखेंगे, ए गारंटीज टू बी the payment of a bill of exchange by C. The acceptor, the bill is dishonored by C. Option A is liable only for the amount of the bill, B is liable only for any interest and charges which may have become due on it, C either A or B and D both A and B. तो इसका आंसर है both A and B. 18 देखेंगे, A guarantees to B the extent of rupees 10,000 that C shall pay all the bills that B shall drawn upon him. B draws upon C, C accepts the bill, A gives notice of revocation, C dishonors the bill at maturity. A is liable upon his guarantee, B is not liable upon his guarantee, C is partly liable upon his guarantee and D none of this. तो इसका आंसर A है, is liable upon his guarantee. फिर 19 देखेंगे, A borrows rupees 100 from B and gives him a bond of rupees 200 payable by 5 yearly installment of rupees 40 with the stipulation that in default of payment of any installment the whole shall become due. ऑप्शन है दिस इज अ स्टिपुलेशन बाय वे ऑफ पेनल्टी, बी दिस इज नॉट अ स्टिपुलेशन बाय वे ऑफ पेनल्टी, सी इधर ए और बी एंड डी नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर है ए है, दिस इज अ स्टिपुलेशन बाय वे ऑफ पेनल्टी. 20 देखेंगे, ए क्लेम फॉर कॉम्पनसेशन अंडर सेक्शन 55 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 वुड बी बार्ड इफ द प्रॉमिस एक्सेप्ट परफॉर्मेंस आफ्टर द स्टिपुलेटेड टाइम unless he had given notice to the promisor of his intention to claim compensation at the time of the delayed acceptance. In which of the following case it was held? तो ये स्टेट ऑफ केरला वर्सेस एम मथाई में हुआ था. 20 का सी ऑप्शन करेक्ट है. 21 देखेंगे, ए एंड बी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दैट ए शेल बिल्ड अ हाउस फॉर बी एट अ फिक्स प्राइस. A's promise to build the house must be performed before B's promise to pay for it. B A's promise to build the house can be delayed before B's promise to pay for it. C either A or B and D none of this. तो इसका आंसर A है, A's promise to build the house must be performed before B's promise to pay for it. 22 A and B contract that A shall deliver goods to B to be paid for by B on delivery. A need not deliver the goods unless B is ready and willing to pay for the goods on delivery. B need not pay for the goods unless A is ready and willing to deliver them on payment. C both A and B and D either A or B. तो इसका आंसर है both A and B. 23 देखेंगे, A and B agree that A shall pay B 1,000 rupees for which B shall afterward deliver to A either rice or smuggled opium. It is a contract, B it is a void agreement, C either A or B, D both A and B. तो इसका आंसर D है, both A and B. 24 देखेंगे, A and B agree that A shall be a house for 10,000 rupees but that if B uses it as a gambling house he shall pay a 50,000 rupees for it. A it is a contract, B it is a void agreement, C either A or B and D both A and B. तो इसका आंसर है D both A and B. ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट भी है और void agreement भी है. ये कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कब होगा? जब वो घर को बेच रहे हैं नॉर्मल पर्पस के लिए, लेकिन अगर वो गैम्बलिंग हाउस के लिए करता है तो वो एक एग्रीमेंट वॉइड माना जाएगा एग्रीमेंट. 25 देखेंगे, ए एग्रीज टू सेल टू बी 1,000 माउंट्स ऑफ राइस एट अ प्राइस टू बी फिक्स्ड बाय सी. ए इज द प्राइस इज कैपेबल ऑफ बीइंग मेड सर्टेन. ऑप्शन है देयर इज नो अनसर्टेनिटी हेयर टू मेक द एग्रीमेंट वॉइड, बी देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी हेयर टू मेक द एग्रीमेंट वॉइड, सी देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी बट द एग्रीमेंट कैन नॉट बी मेड वॉइड. ए नन ऑफ दिस. इसका आंसर ए है, there is no uncertainty here to make agreement void. 26 देखेंगे, A agrees with B to discover treasure by magic. तो ये treasure by magic के का जो आंसर है देखिए ये void होगा. ठीक है, 27 देखेंगे, ए एग्रीज टू सेल अ हॉर्स वर्थ ₹1,000 फॉर ₹10. ए डिनाइज दैट हिज कंसेंट टू द एग्रीमेंट वॉज फ्रीली गिवन. तो ए द इनएडिक्वेसी ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज अ फैक्ट विच द कोर्ट शुड take into account in considering whether A or not A's consent was freely given. B, the adequacy of the consideration is a fact which the court should take into account in considering whether or not A's consent was freely given. C, the inadequacy of the consideration is a fact which the court should take not into account in considering whether or not A's consent was freely given. None of this. इसका आंसर A करेक्ट है. 28 देखेंगे, A agrees to sell B's 100 tons of oil. There is nothing whatever to show what kind of oil was इंटेंडेड. ये काइंड है, ठीक है. ऑप्शन है द एग्रीमेंट इज वॉइड फॉर अनसर्टेनिटी. बी द एग्रीमेंट इज नॉट वॉइड इन स्पाइट ऑफ द अनसर्टेनिटी. सी इधर ए और बी एंड डी नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर ए है, द एग्रीमेंट इज वॉइड फॉर अनसर्टेनिटी. 29 देखते हैं, द रूल अगेंस्ट पेनल्टी अंडर सेक्शन 74 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 डू नॉट अप्लाई वेयर द ऑब्लिगेशन इज वन ऑफ डेट. B, the sum is payable on an event other than B, breach. C, stipulated sum is payable upon the exercise by one party of an option to terminate the contract. D, all of them. तो इसका आंसर है D, all of them. 30 देखते हैं, the subject matter of section 8 of the Indian Contract Act 1872 is divided into A, performance of the conditions of a proposal, and B, acceptance of any consideration for reciprocal promise which may be offered with the proposal. C, both A and B. D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर both A and B. 31 देखेंगे, द राइट टू श्योरिटी टू इंडेमनिटी इज एन इंसिडेंट ऑफ द गारंटी. A, the principal debtor will be liable. B, without the necessity of any further request for all sums subsequently paid by the surety under the guarantee as money paid to the use of the principal debtor. C, both A and B. D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर है C, both A and B. 32 देखेंगे, द रूल इन सेक्शन 204 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 इज कनेक्टेड विद द प्रिंसिपल्स ड्यूटी टू इंडेमनिफाई द एजेंट अंडर सेक्शन 222 ऑफ द इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट. सी, सेक्शन 223, सेक्शन 224 एंड नन ऑफ दिस. इसका आंसर ए है, सेक्शन 222 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट. 35 देखेंगे, 33 देखेंगे, द प्रिंसिपल ऑन विच द लॉ अकॉर्ड्स प्रोटेक्शन टू पर्दानिशिंग वुमेन इज फाउंडेड ऑन. ए, इक्विटी. बी, गुड कंसाइन. सी, बोथ ए एंड बी एंड डी, नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर है बोथ ए एंड बी. 34 देखेंगे, द प्रोविजन ऑफ सेक्शन 128 ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एक्ट 1872 डज नॉट अप्लाई टू अ श्योरिटी फॉर अ पर्सन ऑर्डर टू कीप गुड बिहेवियर. बी, कॉन्सिक्वेंस फॉर रिकवरी ऑफ डेब्ट्स. सी, ए एंड बी एंड डी, नन ऑफ दिस. तो इसका आंसर सी है, बोथ ए एंड बी. 35 देखते हैं, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ कॉजी स्टॉपल और प्रोमिसरी स्टॉपल मोर aptly called is that when one party to a contract in the absence of a fresh consideration agrees not to enforce his right, an equity will be raised in favor of another party but subject to the qualification that A, the other party has a changed his position. B, the promisor can resile from his promise on giving reasonable notice, may not be formal, giving the promisee a reasonable opportunity of resuming his position. C, the promise only become final and irrevocable if the promisee cannot his position. D, all of them. तो इसका आंसर है D, all of them. 36 देखेंगे, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ अनजस्ट एनरिचमेंट कुड नॉट गिव अ राइट टू द स्टेट टू रिकवर रिलाइज व्हेन फ्री आफ्टर द स्टैच्यू हैज बीन स्ट्रक डाउन. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केस इट वाज हेल्ड इन सोमैया ऑर्गेनिक इंडिया लिमिटेड वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश. 37 देखेंगे, द ऑब्लिगेशन ऑफ द बेली डैश इज द एसेंस ऑफ बेलमेंट. ए, टू रिटर्न द गुड्स. बी, टू डील विद गुड्स अकॉर्डिंग टू द डायरेक्शन. सी, इधर ए और बी एंड डी, नन ऑफ दिस. इसका आंसर है ए और बी. 38 देखेंगे, द पॉनी कैनॉट retain the goods for payment of any other debt or performance of any promise other than that for which the goods are pledged unless there is a specific contract to the effect as stated in section 174 of Indian Contract Act. B, the pawnee falls in any of the categories of person mentioned in section 171 of the Indian Contract Act entitled to a general lien. C, A or B, D, none of this. तो इसका आंसर A है, C है, इधर A और B. 39 देखेंगे, deed of cancellation of contract amounts to rescission of contract and any rescission must be only bilateral. This contention was held in case of E.R. Kalaiban versus IG of registration Chennai AIR 2010 में बोला है, ठीक है. 40 देखेंगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कैनॉट बी सेट टू बी वॉइड ऑन ग्राउंड ऑफ ए, ओवर कंसिडरेशन. बी, इनएडुकेसी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन. सी, ओवर कंसिडरेशन और इनएडुकेसी ऑफ कंसिडरेशन. डी, नीदर ए नॉर बी. तो इसका आंसर है डी, नीदर ए नॉर बी. 43 देखेंगे, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग केसेस सुप्रीम कोर्ट हेल्ड दैट द टाइम वाज एसेंस ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. तो ये टाइम वाज एसेंस ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट ए के लक्ष्मीपति वर्सेस आर एस पन्नालाल में बोला है. 44 देखेंगे, in which case it was held that if arbitrator act in disregard of the contract and without jurisdiction then he commits legal misconduct. तो ये हमारा फूड कॉर्पोरेशन ऑफ इंडिया वर्सेस चंदू कंस्ट्रक्शन में बोला है. 45 देखेंगे. A owes B under a contract a sum of money the amount of which has not been ascertained. A without ascertaining the amount gives to B and B in satisfaction therefore accepts the sum of rupees 2000. This is a discharge of whole debt. ठीक है, तो ये किसका है? होल डेट का डिस्चार्ज है. ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट है. 46 देखेंगे. इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग जजमेंट इज it was told that the principle of unjust enrichment cannot be extended to give a right to the state to recover or realize when fee after the concerned statute for realization or recovery of when fee has been struck down. तो ये सोमैया ऑर्गेनिक वर्सेस स्टेट ऑफ उत्तर प्रदेश में बोला है. 47 देखेंगे. ए कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में बी विशेटेड बाय फ्रॉड, मिस्टेक, फ्रस्ट्रेशन और अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस. तो ये है ऑल आर करेक्ट. कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जो है वो विशेट हो सकता है, ये सारे ऑप्शन अगर है फ्रॉड, मिस्टेक, फ्रस्ट्रेशन और अनड्यू इन्फ्लुएंस है. तो 48 देखेंगे. ए इंटरेस्ट with negotiable instrument endorsed in blank. B sells them to C in violation of private orders from A. The sale is bad, B good, C no legal identity, depends on the court. तो इसका आंसर है B good. आई होप हमारी वीडियो आपको पसंद आई होगी, तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा. और आपको कोई भी क्वेरी है तो टारगेट फॉर IQ के नंबर पे आप कॉल और मैसेज करके पूछ सकते हैं. हमारे हिंदी और इंग्लिश में दोनों में बैचेस चलते हैं. थैंक यू सो मच.